Hi, my name is Justin Everett, and I'm executive chef of Kefalo Point Resort and Murray Circle Restaurant in Sausalito, California. Today I'll be demonstrating how to prepare a California Dungeness crab salad. To start our fresh Dungeness California crab salad, we want to add our picked crab to a bowl. Start with a little salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. I like to add fiends herbs, which is a mixture of parsley, tarragon, chervil, and chives. Plenty of herb. Fresh shallots we like to add to our salad here, and some preserved lemon zest. It's just preserved lemon that we've cut into a very small dice. We'll take a little bit of champagne vinaigrette, which is just 2 parts oil to 1 part champagne vinegar, and we'll add a little bit of that. And then about a tablespoon of creme fraiche we'll add and mix it. We don't want to mix this too much because we want to have that nice integrity of the crab meat. So when we decide to plate our California crab salad, we're going to start with a little Espelette aioli. And then we'll take a nice ring mold here and place our finished crab salad inside the ring mold. We'll garnish with a little fresh toasted sunflower seeds, a few sunflower shoots, and a little lime leaf dust. And here we have our California Dungeness crab salad.